G'day gang and welcome back to Lunch for Louis. Now here's how to make my go-to burger sauce. It's delicious, it's simple, let's get into it. Okay, so into a bowl we go with 2 parts mayonnaise, 1 part ketchup. I've gone with about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, so 1 tablespoon of ketchup. After that, garlic powder, onion powder, about a teaspoon each. Then we will finally dice a pickle, ending up with about a tablespoon and a half. A teaspoon of the pickle liquid. Now this is looking good consistency and good taste. But if you want that classic burger sauce colour, we will add a small amount of yellow American mustard and a good pinch of paprika. And that's it. Mix well to combine and apply liberally to the heel and the crown of your bun. And that's lunch. Dig in and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.